Okay, here's a look at the E-mini S&P for Monday, May the 9th, 2011. Of course, we always like to start with our market profiles at eminidaytrader. This was today's profile during the regular trading hours. This is the one that we had on Friday. So you can see it was what they call an inside session overnight. And the market did exceed that a little bit during the regular trading hours as far as the overnight was concerned. But the areas that we were looking at for resistance was 46.50. The market reached 46.25, and on the bottom side it was 35. And I think overnight the market had reached, it actually reached 34.75. So really amazingly just held within that. So we still think that's a containment area. The market is more likely, I believe, to go up than down, but it could go either way, and we could be in for a good vertical move. So that's what we're going to be on the watch for here. So same areas to look at. Here's our profiles from the regular trading hours, and of course we use them in our analysis as well. Here's our software, and as you can see we had two short trades. These are the only down arrows that we had today. And we did have some up arrows. We had one here. Here's our dash line. It was not filled. We had a series of them right here. We only got filled on one of them right here, but it did turn out to be the best trade of the day, getting long here just in time for that nice move higher. So that was good to see. The first trade that we have here we did take, even though it was in the neutral filter, and the reason we took it is because our slightly intraday down biased right now, and so we did go ahead and take this trade. So that was our first trade of the day, and it worked out well. The market moved 3 1/4 points for us, so easily reaching our first two objectives, and a 1-point gain on the final partial for a total of 4 points on that trade. The next trade in here, this is our second trade of the day. It had a really nice move, moved 5 1/4 points in our favor, and so 4 points total on that one. I'm sorry, 4 points on the final partial there, so 7 on that. So we ended up with 11 points today, so that was a good day. This trade here, even though it did work out, you can see the short right there, and the market did come down and eventually move 2 3/4 points in our favor. A gain of 2 1/4 on the final partial there for a total of 5 1/4 on that trade. We actually didn't take that trade because of the dark green filter over in here. Some of our more advanced traders would have taken it and managed it from a nimble standpoint and done well. That's really it. So we're looking at those same levels. We do think, however, though, if the market can't get back below where we entered here, which is in around the 40 area, then it could easily come down to the 35. And of course today's high was around 46. These were the areas of support and resistance that we had going into today, and we're still holding by them with the knowledge that if it breaks either up or down, it's more of a go with kind of scenario. And then possible some more support where we got long today around the 1340 area. So as it stands right now, this is support, and this is resistance. And of course we're looking for a possible break either higher or lower, which could come as early as tomorrow. So that's really it for today. Thanks for watching the video. Any questions or comments, please get a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader.com. Thanks, and we'll see you again tomorrow.